Hi, I'm Indiana personal injury attorney David Holub. Appliances such as stoves and microwave ovens produce heat and rely upon controlled combustion. These items can pose a fire danger if they malfunction or if the product is not used as intended. Not long ago, we handled an injury case that resulted from a fire that started when a cooking pot was left on a stove unattended. The pot melted and set the apartment on fire. You might think that a manufacturer couldn't be held responsible in such a case. But what if the type of stove involved was supposed to have a sensor that shut off the burner automatically upon sensing an overheated cooking pot? You guessed it, if the auto shut-off failed, there just might be a case. What if building codes require apartments to be outfitted with stoves with automatic shutoff switches and smoke alarms, but the owner of the building decides not to buy such equipment? Well, yes, there may be a lawsuit available against the building owner. There was recently a report of a microwave spontaneously catching fire after use. Apparently, an electrical component overheated. Similar situations occur when a refrigerator overheats and causes an electrical arc short. We handled one such case. The key point: safely constructed products should not present a fire hazard. Call an attorney. If you're looking for more legal information like this, check out the more than 800 videos on our YouTube page and on our website. There's a link to an index at the bottom of the left of every one of our web pages. And there are more videos on products liability cases, just like we discussed in this video.